In this video, we'll go over how to connect and configure an output on the BRNKL device. The outputs on the BRNKL device support a maximum output current of 2 amps. The BRNKL switches ground, not power. This means the BRNKL connects or disconnects the ground side of the circuit rather than switching the positive voltage. For example, here we have a 12-volt LED. The ground wire from the LED is connected to output 1 on the BRNKL 10-pin connector. This is the green wire on the connector. The positive side of the LED is connected to a constant 12-volt power source. To configure or test the output, open the settings page and select Outputs. Then select Output 1. This is where you configure the behavior of the output. First, we will name the output. In this example, we will call it LED. If you would like to allow the output to be controlled remotely through the BRNKL mobile app, enable the remote controls toggle. Next, you can choose the output type. The default option is generic, which allows the output to be manually controlled either locally or through the BRNKL app. You can also configure the output as an armed and disarmed indicator light, a strobe light, or a siren. Each of these options automatically adjusts the output behavior and naming. For this example, we will keep the output type set to generic. The high name represents the active state, which we will label on. The low name represents the inactive state, which we will label off. You can also configure how long the output remains active when it is turned on. The output can remain on indefinitely, or it can automatically turn off after 1 minute, 5 minutes, or 15 minutes. In this example, we will leave it set to remain on indefinitely. Click Save to apply the configuration. To test the output, navigate to the controls page. You will now see the LED control listed. When we switch the output on, the LED turns on. When we switch the output off, the LED turns off. If you would like this output to act as an armed indicator light, return to the output settings and change the output type to arm and disarm indicator. Click Save. Now the LED will blink whenever the security system is armed. When the system is disarmed, the light will turn off. And that is how you connect and configure an output on a BRNKL device.